what's good, y'all? It's your boy Trey Ski. We back again with another video, y'all. Goddamn tuning in. Y'all hear goddamn puppies in the back, y'all. The shit dirty as hell, y'all. The shit dirty as hell, y'all. I gotta clean the whole shit. But guess what, though, y'all? I done went to goddamn Home Depot, bought me some goddamn grass and shit. This nigga tweaking because he ain't never seen that shit before. And shit. He ain't never seen this shit before. But hey, I'm gonna cut the video right here, though. Because I'm recording off my phone, y'all. My GoPro fucking dead. Shit don't last for shit. Now I'm playing. It lasts for shit. It just what I be doing. The time be passing so fast, I don't even be realizing type shit. But hey, yeah, I'm about to see how this bitch look real quick. I'm goddamn tapping with y'all niggas. Alright, YouTube. I seen this shit. I'm fucking with it low key. It just ain't ass. Boy, don't jump on my camera, boy. They got my room dirty as hell, y'all. Everything dirty. They bit up my goddamn carpet. Bit up my damn windows. Shit. This what it is. This how it is living with pit bulls, y'all. Living with pit bulls, y'all. But I mean, you can easily get this shit fixed, but why the fuck would I get this shit? I don't need to get it replaced now. The only thing I probably want to replace is this motherfucking carpet, y'all. Bro, get your ass out of my face, bro. We don't do that. We don't condone that gay shit, bro. He over here excited, y'all. Hey. Don't do that shit on camera. Don't try to come at me. No. Move. Move around. Move around, bro. Move around. Move around, bro. Move around. Move around. Over. But hey, yeah, y'all. Goddamn. I got the grass shit here and shit. Goddamn. Gonna cut this shit up. Put it in their pack and play. Look at Angas. Look at Angas, y'all. Damn. Why you bullying him, Theodore? Yes, y'all, yes. It's dirty as hell. But, oh, damn, my phone. But yes, y'all, yes. What's it called? The puppies is what? 3 weeks, going on 4 weeks. They turn 4 weeks this Saturday, y'all, and today is Wednesday. So, it's a lot. I feel they teeth coming in. I've been deworming them. Y'all could also deworm them too. But I also suggest taking them to the vet to get them that veterinarian dewormer because that shit really do it for real. I mean, you got shit out here. I ain't gonna lie, the one I got, it do the job. But I ain't never, ever seen no shit like motherfucking veterinarian. Cause, bruh, the veterinarian dewormer, bruh, this nigga had worms like a motherfucker when we got him. When we got him, bro, this nigga was fat as shit and y'all, he was fat as shit and small as shit, y'all. When we got this nigga, bro, Zane, look how big the nigga is now. Zane, he only 1 year old. Speak. 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 Nova, speak. Speak, Nova. Speak, Nova. Speak, Nova. Yeah. Like, they want some deworm, y'all. But, y'all, let me show y'all the brands real quick. God, I'm at it. Try to do this with one hand. This nigga over here jumping up and shit. But this the deworm, y'all. Look how that shit is. Dewormer broad spectrum, 2 ounces for dogs and cats. Hookworms, whipworms, tapeworms, roundworms. Try to get it focused for y'all. Hold on. Yeah. There we go. The one that keep burning. I can read that if y'all want. I got another one. There's the natural antibiotics for dogs. Here's what anti-inflammatory, antibacterial effect, antiviral effect, antifungal effect. Dr. Green thing. I'm not reading all that shit.
Come on now, dog.
But hell yeah. I'm finna goddamn measure this shit out and shit. What's it called? And just like give y'all, shoot me a little shit at me doing this shit, y'all. So yeah. Finna get this shit going. Yeah, I got this shit going. Move. Alright, so first thing I gotta do is motherfucking measure this shit, y'all. Measure the shit. This shit, I measured it. It says 44. I'm gonna cut it to 46. 46 to see if I gotta do a little bit more trimming. Get up and over. But measure this shit out. Move. 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 Yeah, y'all, it don't take book smarts to do this shit. I swear to God. I swear to God, if you got the mentality and shit to do it, do this shit. We're gonna do 48 and 45. No, 48 and 44, my fault, y'all. I'm doing this with a knife to mark it, y'all. I don't got no marker. Improvise, y'all. Y'all ain't got no marker at the time. If y'all wanna do something real quick, improvise. Just be real precise with this shit. Real precise. Look, y'all, I'm gonna show y'all. Just be real precise with this shit. Y'all see how I mark that shit? See? Just be real precise. From here to here, we did the size, but I think it's 44, 44, to be honest with you. Yeah, see? About 44, y'all. Try to be more. I'm gonna try to. Let me fix the camera. I'm gonna try to be more. I'm gonna try to be more like. I'm gonna try to be more like.
Get some help.
I would try to be like. Damn. I'm gonna try to be like Mike. I'm gonna try to be more consistent for y'all. For y'all out there that be watching my channel and shit. It just, I ain't consistent with this shit, y'all. Stop it, bro. Don't bite no damn knife. Why the fuck is you always playing? Like, damn, this nigga don't know when to stop fucking playing, y'all. Like, bruh. And then he be crying like a bitch when he get popped for it. That shit don't make no sense. It say I'm off. Y'all, it say I'm fucking off. Yeah, y'all, this shit saying I'm off. I am still doing this shit, but I ain't fucking stupid. Like, what the hell? Yeah, it's saying I'm off by like at least two fucking inches. What the fuck? I'm just gonna cut this shit, y'all. At this point, Oh, and the shit will get a little bit dirty because the grass is getting cut out right here, y'all. I see it on my floor. So make sure y'all have a vacuum on standby. I'm gonna just make a line right here that's gonna lead up to that. So this shit perfect right there. That nigga. Whoa. Look, y'all. I'm that nigga. Look, y'all. That shit already. I'm that nigga, bro. I'm that nigga, y'all. Tell y'all. Take the book so much to do this shit. Move. Shit, y'all. This for the puppies, y'all. Hold on, y'all. Hold on. I gotta get this shit for the gram. For the gram, ski.
Get some help.
Alright, y'all. Alright, y'all. I got the shit cut it out and shit. Everybody in my face and shit. I finna, I might as well introduce y'all to the puppies, to be honest with you. So, I'm just gonna start with one. Key move. Key move. We're gonna start off with my boy, Theodore. Move. Move. It's fucking aggravating, y'all. They act like they don't never see these damn kids. Move. This is Theodore, y'all. Named him Theodore. Because he a little chubby, y'all. And he got an adorable face. And he tiger stripe. He's Zane. He got that Zane in him. Look, y'all. He can walk, too. He can walk, too. Look, he on that motherfucker. He thugging. He gonna try to eat, though. Told you he Theodore, y'all. That nigga gonna try to eat. Look at that Nova strong ass. She don't be feeding these puppies sometimes, y'all. She don't like feeding these damn puppies, bro. I be having to get on her ass, y'all. So, when y'all goddamn female have her first litter, make sure to be on that ass, bro. Because that shit, bro, that shit don't make no sense to me. She get in there sometimes when I don't have to say shit, but most of the time I gotta say some shit, and that's a big problem. Note that, y'all. Y'all, I wasn't even fucking recording showing y'all. That shit crazy. I wasn't even recording. I wasn't even fucking recording. Puppy's over there now. But she at 11. I still got some more to show y'all. She a brindle too, y'all. She was an all blue, and then y'all can see it a little bit in her coat that she's starting to change. That's the thing about puppies and dogs, y'all. Their coats never stop changing, y'all. Their coats never stop. Nova, can you move? Go over here. Go over here. Feed your puppies. She said, hell no. She don't want to deal with them. That's the shit I'm talking about. That's the shit I'm talking about, y'all. That's the shit I'm talking about right there. That shit right there. Y'all, this the smallest one. This the runt out of the group. But I didn't want to call her a runt because I was like, maybe not. She don't runt, most definitely. And it's like she eats, but she's not growing. She's not growing. I swear to God, y'all. I'm not even laughing about this shit. Like, she eats. It's like I monitor her ever since she came out the womb. She was on, I put her on the nipple as soon as she came out the womb. As soon as she came out the womb. And she just never grown, and I was just like, she gonna grow when I fucking feed them a real dog food and shit. Not like no. I'm gonna feed them kibble and shit, start them out, but yeah, I'm giving them that goddamn protein. See, look, that's why I got this shit, y'all. He used the bathroom already. And he used the bathroom already on this motherfucker. He used the bathroom already. Look at him. See, that's why I bought this shit. It'll be easier. She was an all blue too, y'all, but she slowly starting to change too. She's starting to change into a brindle too, y'all. And it's like, damn. That shit crazy. That's the crazy thing about the Tiger Stripe breed, bro. Of a pit bull, bro. Of a pit bull, y'all. The shit, bro. A dog coat could be like this, bro. His shit could change next week, y'all. But I don't think it's gonna change, because if it would, it would have been changed. Because if it would, it would have been changed, y'all. I don't know about this one, y'all. It's a boy, too. He might stay blue. No, remove from the front in the damn camera, bro. Damn. That's the shit I'm talking about. I can't never record. Look, he all blue. But he might change colors. I don't know. He might not. He might just stay blue. I might just really have one all blue and that'll be big girl. For real, that'll be big girl. But I think if he stay all blue too, it'll be nice too. So I have 2 blues. I have 4 brindles. I have 1 lilac, 1 albino. With a blue ear. And 2 twin brindles. That's Tiger Stripe. Well, yeah, 2 twins. But I got 4 at this point. But they not twins though. You feel me? So, yeah. I gotta clean this shit out. And shit. Got piss and shit in it. I can wipe it up though. Hell yeah, I'm gonna clean this bitch up, y'all. I'm gonna catch y'all. Alright, YouTube. Goddamn Frank dog. They goddamn finished that bitch up. Goddamn, finna give y'all a little. This shit fire, low key. Ain't nothing too much, but it look better. You feel me? Than what it looked like before. I'm about to give y'all a view on how this shit look, y'all. This shit fire. Look at this shit, y'all. Got the toys and shit. Got the green and shit in there, y'all. Looking over. Kids, got the toys. Toys in there and shit. That shit nice. Shit hard, y'all. Come on over. Come on. Show y'all the puppies. Get off my bed. Look, they already playing with it. That's for them to be biting on. This shit hard though. Right now, I'm gonna have to build some wooden planks and shit for them, so they can start climbing and shit. Y'all gonna see. But that's for another video though. Right now, this is what I'm gonna do for right now, y'all. Till my dad get home, and then, you feel me, goddamn, you feel me? Get them, y'all. Why y'all crying? Look at Aang, y'all. The last airbender. He would have been a keeper. This is brother. Theodore would have been a keeper right here. Big girl would have been a keeper. The albino would have been a keeper. I would have kept her too. Like if my dad said I could keep one, I would keep her. Cause I don't know if she gonna get sold. Be real. I would keep him too. I'll keep all of them. I don't have no favorites, y'all. Nova, do you? Do you have any favorites? Girl, y'all see that? Me and K9. Oh, you need this bone too. You see that little yellow and shit, y'all? That mean it's time for her. She been eating too much good shit. It's time for her to get a bone. That's why I got one right here for her. Anything. Got two of them bitches. Y'all. But hell yeah, YouTube. This is goddamn end of the video, y'all. I'm gonna goddamn tune in to y'all next time. I'm gonna drop this bitch probably today, y'all. Cause I ain't got shit to do. So goddamn, make sure y'all like, subscribe, comment on this video. If you interested in getting a pup in North Carolina, Charlotte, North Carolina, y'all, hit me. All y'all gotta do is comment, say, I want a puppy. All y'all gotta do is say, I want a puppy, y'all. I want a puppy. That's it. I'ma hit you. Give me a personal, or what's it called? Give me an Instagram, motherfucker. Don't give me a personal number because people get weird on YouTube. Just give me an Instagram. Type your Instagram in the bio, y'all. If y'all want me to hit y'all and y'all need a puppy, y'all, let me know. And goddamn, tune in with y'all next time. Goddamn, it's your boy Trey Ski, and we goddamn out with another goddamn banger video, cuz goddamn, yeah.
Get some help.